how I added global search in Next.js in 60 seconds. The good thing is I'm using Xata for my database and it has search already built in. So the first thing I did was create an API endpoint in Next.js, reference the Xata client, and then call the search function and then pass in the query. From there, I created the overlay component, which takes in a property of is open to determine whether or not to actually show that pop-up. Since I needed to open and close this from different components, I used the context API in React to share that state between different components. Then I wrap the two components that need access to that with that search provider, specifically the nav and then the global search component. Now inside of this global search component, I have handlers for shortcut keys or hotkeys, and then I also have the handler for the search on change. Now you can see in here, I make a request to the backend and then I set that data to be inside of my state in React. But the most important thing that I'm doing is using debouncing. So I'm not making a request every time the user inputs something. I'm giving it a delay to make sure they're done typing before I actually perform that search. So that's